Ka sorkar Meghalaya menta kasngi thok dieng. Kala Mynjur ya ka jing terwa ban ailat ya ki ophisar sorkar jong ki tanat bapher ki bakin thop ya ka All India Services, Meghalaya Civil Service, Meghalaya Police Service, Forest Finance Services bat kiwei bakin beteng ya ki jing pulie hakilan bapher khnang ban kentio bat pynjanai shu hakabaya dei bat ki rukom treikam. Yakane lapen pau da menteri sorkar ubadeiru unong aiktien ka sorkar MDA uba pol lingdo habakren syakilat pathai khubor hadien ka jingalang ka kenhun menteri kata da kaba benrap ru ba yaki jinglut jingsap kabala bankot syak ka khatsan lak tingka anbei na kalyang ka sorkar ula ong ru ba ha ka jingamir jingmut ka sorkar kalarai ru ban pelut haduk khatsan lak tingka na kabenta by tuition jong kini ki ophisar bat ki kurs ki ba kini ki ophisar ki la ban let pule ki la ban long ha ka online ne ka offline henry kinum la pat ban shim shuti na ki jing treikam jong ki na kabenta ban pendap ya kani ka jing pule ha ki tanat pule ba pher nalor kata ula ong ru ba kini ki ophisar ki bayo ya kani ka tuition fee na ka sorkar kabala ban kot sya ka khatsan lak kathmu na ka benta laingut ki ophisar ha ka shisnam ya ka ba na kalyang ka komiti jong ka sorkar balathung kan ai ka jing Mynjur ya ka jing terwa bat pentip ru ya ki ophisar ki ban let ban beteng ya ka jing pule kindei tang ki tu ki ophisar ki ba ka jing treikam badang sa jong ki kanom duna ya ka hinyausnam Kani ka komiti ya kaba an khli da u chief secretary kan bishar benya ru na ka benta ban ai ka jing Mynjur na ka benta ki ba kum kini ki he officer hakawai pat ka benta ka kenhuan menteri kala ai ru ka jing Mynjur hakabaya dei bat ka jing pen khre ya ki jing kran ha ka sngi independence day ka ban pen pau halor ki jing job ba pher jong ka sorkar na du bakala shimti ha ka bor
First is we took up the matter of toning up and upscaling the efficiency of the bureaucracy of the state, which is a very important link between the political executive and the public. So, in order to facilitate that kind of facility training, today the cabinet took up the item of mid-career sponsored courses for senior level officers belonging to All India Services, MCS, MPS, MFS, Forest Service and Finance Service. In the course of the discussion, we decided that we will encourage and incentivize our officers to continue learning by pursuing courses at various universities which provide higher degree and diploma courses, and these will be undertaken by our officers without any dislocation from work, meaning that they will not be taking any leave in the course of the training. There will be no study leave. They will be in a position to undertake such courses in the weekends or post office hours. And these courses have been identified, for example, MBA for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, Masters in Public Policy, an online course offered by the OP Jindal Global University, C Professional Certificate Programs in Data Sciences and AI offered by Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, or University of Maryland, again an online course. Then there's PhD program for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, and part-time PhD for working professionals offered by Jindal Global Law School and IITs. E. Executive Fellow in Management or PhD in Management program offered by IIMs. So to incentivize these officers, the state government has agreed to a proposal to fund the tuition fees for the program up to a limit of rupees 15 lakhs, for which there are conditions tied to it. For example, the officer should have at least 7 years of service left, should undertake the course on a part-time basis without any study leave, and every year up to 3 officers who gain admission to a course of study approved by the government will be sponsored by the government. As I said, the cap is 15 lakh as tuition fees, and will be available to all India services, Meghalaya Civil Services, Police Services, Forest Services, and Meghalaya Finance Service. And there will be a committee headed by the Chief Secretary to review and approve applications of such officers. The draft of the Independence Day speech, highlighting the various achievements of the government since it took over, and these, of course, you will be hearing on Independence Day, as various dignitaries, including the governor, will be addressing the public on that particular day.